Recent research conducted by a collaborative team from the University of Liverpool and Aberystwyth University has revealed that humans were constructing wooden structures over 500,000 years ago, a timeline previously believed to be unattainable. Nature's Journal recently published a study on the excavation of remarkably preserved wood at the archaeological landmark of Kalambo Falls, Zambia. This wood is estimated to be at least 476,000 years old, and its existence precedes the evolution of our own species, Homo sapiens. After conducting a comprehensive examination of cut marks on the wooden surface left by stone tools, it has been concluded that early humans utilized these tools to craft and connect two hefty logs. This was likely done to create a structure which may have served as the foundation for a platform or as a component of a dwelling. Previously, evidence for the human use of wood was primarily restricted to its utilization in the creation of fire, digging sticks, and spears. However, we now have the earliest known evidence, originating from an unknown location, of humans deliberately crafting logs to interlock with each other. Typically, wood does not endure in ancient sites due to decay and decomposition. However, at Kalambo Falls, the wood was safeguarded by consistently high water levels. The prevailing notion that Stone Age humans were a nomadic people is being challenged by a recent discovery. At Kalambo Falls, these individuals were not only able to settle in one place, but were also able to construct structures. The presence of a perennial water source and a forest teeming with enough resources to provide sustenance enabled them to do so. According to Professor Larry Barham, who oversees the research project known as the Deep Roots of Humanity at the University of Liverpool's Department of Archaeology, Classics and Egyptology. The discovery I encountered has transformed my perception of our ancient forebears. Disregard the conventional classification of the Stone Age, and instead observe the actions of these people. They crafted a novel and sizable object from wood. They employed their intellect, creativity, and expertise to generate an unprecedented creation that had never before been witnessed. By constructing a simple platform by the river to perform their daily tasks, these individuals altered their environment for the sake of convenience. It is worth noting that they were not so different from us after all. The dating of the discoveries was done by specialists from Aberystwyth University. To ascertain the age of the discoveries, they employed innovative luminescence dating methods. These techniques reveal the most recent instance that minerals situated within the sand in close proximity to the artifacts were subjected to sunlight. According to statements made by Professor Jeff Duller, who is involved in academic research at Aberystwyth University, determining the age of artifacts from a distant epoch is an arduous task, especially as time marches further on. However, we utilized luminescence dating to accomplish this feat. By using these novel dating techniques, we can now delve deep into history and more accurately date ancient sites, which in turn grants us a peek into the evolution of humankind. Decades ago, archaeologists had unearthed similar pieces of wood from Kalambo Falls, but were unable to date them properly, leaving the true importance of the site ambiguous until the implementation of these new dating methods. Located on the border of Zambia and the Rukwa region of Tanzania, close to Lake Tanganyika, is the site of Kalambo Falls. The waterfall, towering at a height of 772 feet, 235 meters, is a remarkable feature of the area. Due to its archaeological importance, the site has been included on UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites. Professor Duller made an additional statement, stating, "The findings of our research demonstrate that the age of this site surpasses prior estimations, thereby increasing its value in the field of archaeology. This substantiates the proposition that it should be recognized as a World Heritage Site by the United Nations." As a constituent of the groundbreaking Deep Roots of Humanity initiative, this research is an exploration into the progression of human technology during the Stone Age. This project is supported by the Arts and Humanities Research Council of the United Kingdom and features teams from the National Heritage Conservation Commission, Livingstone Museum, Moto Museum, and the National Museum in Lusaka, Zambia. According to Professor Barham, it can be inferred that the Kalambo Falls is an exceptional location and a crucial legacy asset for Zambia. The Deep Roots crew anticipates uncovering further thrilling finds from the water-soaked sands of the area.
To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.